Okay po. Okay. So before we start po, kuha lang po tayo ng short message coming from the President.
Hello, okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, good afternoon po. So, itong most awaited natin, no, medyo na delay siya, no, pero I'm very happy na we're closing our league. Maraming salamat po, first of all, sa ating committee, ating commissioner, Architect Ryan, VP Ryan, congratulations. Yes, bigyan naman natin ng isang malakas na palakpak. Okay, so of course, let's not forget our partner in crime, Sports One. Yes, maraming salamat sa kanila. And hopefully, makontinue natin ang partnership natin. So, sa next, itong vista niya dito. So, maraming salamat sa ating mga teams, captains, pagiging cooperative niyo sa amin, no, natapos na ating itong program na ito. And don't forget, safe lang, at sports lang tayo, at respeto lang sa ating kahersa, sa ating dalawang ito. So, hindi lang tayo nag-celebrate ito para sa ating talents, no? Sa ating hilig, yung laro ng basketball, pero nag-celebrate po natin ito kundi dahil sa ating pagkasama, pagiging unified as an architect. So, maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo at sana mag-enjoy po tayo lahat. And huwag natin kalimutan, no? Supportahan po natin ang tuloy-tuloy ang ating factor. Lalo na ngayon ay may bago na tayong administration. So maraming salamat sa suporta. And see you po sa next season, season 9. Thank you.
Okay po, thank you po. So I would just like to call on our Commissioner Ryan, before you step up. Mabilis na po. So as decided by our President.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat sa set of officers sa DOD natin sa patuloy na pag-suporta. At sa mga tao na mula ito, salamat sa inyo. Nag-lakay ng oras para naman sa pagawin nito. Binabati ko pala ang mga dulang titurista sa conference natin, ang mga past president po natin, nakita ko kita kanina. Sa akin po, sa taon na to, makikita niyo man, hindi naman tayo nag-bayad. Nasa bench po ako, pero mahal ko kayo lahat. Alam niyo naman yan. Ayun, mag-enjoy tayo, iwasan po natin na may enjoy, ha? Laro lang po, pero of course, gawin po natin magandang. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
And also, before I forget, no? Una, maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta, especially po sa ating sponsor. Meron po tayong grand prize sa champion at saka sa first runner-up. So maraming salamat po kay Engineer Bernard Camarao. Okay, of course, ang YT na ay ating past president, Architect Caroline. So, I would like to also acknowledge pala na our past president na nandito kanina. Isa na siya. Lumabas po ba? Ayan, si ating past president, Architect Banta, Architect Wilbur, and Architect Mario. Thank you for the support.
Alright, without further ado, let's start to go with our final game again, a game between Team Black and Team Green. So let's start off calling all players for set record above, set record. Alright, first one. tayo ng ating finals. This is a viewer die game. Oh, single game. Decide po natin who's going to be it for today. Okay. We're good. First ball goes to guys in dark. Missed it. Gives it over. Bam. Here comes the song. Martinez looks for a setup. 10 seconds to move. Lays it up. And the foul plus the basket. Wait lang po, wait lang. Foul on number 27. All right, free throws. Short. Here comes Antonio. Antonio gives it to Versailles. Play for goal team. Back to the third for two. Ball is stolen. 10 seconds. Shot clock violation. There is a foul. Foul number 72. That is a hit to the head. Inbound. Number 72. That's going to be your first personal first team foul. That is a free. Here comes Antonio, lays it up, closes it. Here comes number 24 with the rebound. 24 brings it down. Goes forward, gives to 72, returns back to 24, down. Low post, kicks it out, Martinez left open. That's a three-pointer, there you go. Rebound, Antonio. Here comes Virginia, goes for the shot, goes too strong, rebound down. Ball gets stolen. Virginia. Serafika goes for the attack. That is a foul. Foul number 28. That is a blocking. For 28, that's going to be your first personal, second team foul. Three-pointer, no. Rebound, number 3. Guys in black. Seda goes it over, and there is another foul. Foul number 27, that is a hit to the hand. Same ball, number 27, that's going to be your first personal, first team foul. Here goes Gonzalez gives it over, and he backs through, saves the layup, gets the basket, plus the foul. Basket count, foul number 44, that's a hit to the hand for the shot. Number 44, that's going to be your first personal substitution. First personal foul, second team foul. And makes the three-pointer. Takes it out, Antonio for three. No, rebound Martinez pushing to the base. Seda, baseline drive, gives it over to Strong, and this is Marquez for the cleanup. Rebound on the 34. Gives it over, Barroso lays it up, and goes. Bang, goes for the low post, takes the shot, that is good for two. Ten seconds to do. Two-pointer, too strong. Rebound, Gage. And there is a call on the board. That is a foul. Team Gage. All right, back to the ballgame. Three-pointer. No, rebound, Antonio. Baseline drive. And there is a foul. Foul number 28. That is a hit to the hand. Two shots. Number 28. That's going to be your second personal, third team foul. First attempt is a miss. And the second one. Bam, one-hander is good. First media. Reverse too strong. Gives it over, Seda, for three, low, rebound, Antonio, Antonio Fuentes, Antonio lays it up, no! He goes back, crosses, heavy, pull up, and gets fouled. Foul number 24, that is a hit to the hand, 2 shots. Substitution. Number 24, that's going to be your first personal 13 foul. Substitution. Three-pointers. Here comes Seda. Stop for a three. Basket is good. Returns the favorite. Bertiga, another three. No good this time. Left hand with the rebound. Goes for the reverse. Basket is still good. Ball gets sorted. Layup, no. Rebound, Barroso. Under 2 minutes remaining. Antonio, another layup. Scores it. And there is a foul. Foul number 14. That is a push. Substitution. Number 14, that's going to be your first personal 14 foul. Basket. Seconds to shoot. And there is a foul. Foul number 11, that is a push. Substitution, number 11, that's going to be your first personal 14 foul, warning for penalty. Virginia, trying for 3. Back to the field for 3. Under a minute remaining. Official score 17-14. Guard up by 6. Another 3-pointer. Courtesy of number 28. Serapega goes inside, no. Eagle with the rebound. There's a call on the floor. That is a traveling. Seconds to shoot. 12 seconds remaining. Foul. And that is your first quarter. All right, back to the ball game. Baseball or baseball. Ball in the insert. Foul number 21, that's a silver foul. Number 21, that's going to be your first personal first team foul. 10 seconds. 3-pointer, no. Rebound, start. And that is out of bounds. Baseball. Serapega attack, get back, and there is a foul. Foul number 36, that is a blocking inbound. Number 36, that's going to be your first personal second team foul. Serapega pull-up chain, intro. Official score 18-20, Guard up by 2. Cruz attacks, lays it too strong. Ball gets kicked out. Virginia gets fouled. To be foul number 21, that's a blocking inbound. Timeout! Sorry. Number 21, that's going to be your second personal for team foul. Muli ko rin salamat sa ating mga audience on the board right now. Thank you for supporting UAP Presidents of Season 8. You are witnessing violence between Team Black and Team Beige. Alright, back to the ball game. Takes the shot for 2. Martinez for 3, no. That can be out of bounds. Beige ball. That's going to be 8 seconds to you. Five seconds. Basket for 2. Big three with the ball on the ball on the beach. Take the 3. No. Rebound Antonio. Antonio now is taking his time. Intercepted. Martinez gets it on the left side. Santa hesitates. Uses the glass. That is good for 2. Ceramica, 2-pointer is good. Set up, cross-court pass. Cruz, drive for a 3, this time, air ball, pasa pala yun. Wala, nakuha ni Gets the basket, plus the foul. Basket down, foul on number 20, that's both shot. Substitution. Number 20, that's going to be your first team foul. And Nate will be one hit. Five straight points para Ibasa. Barroso gives it over to Ceramica. Low post high post lang, tataas na makawala. Martinez with the rebound. Gives it over to Seda. Waits for his teammate, Seda. Takes it, pasa, another chance, wala this time. Rebound Barroso. Barroso now wasting Barroso gives it over to Rapiga. Basket. Substitution. Pasok na lang po, number 3. Hindi maglalabas. Number 2. Okay. Under 6 minutes remaining. Barroso gives it over to Virginia. Using the three. Floater, rebound. Number 10. 10 seconds to use Terapia. Attack. To get foul. Foul number 7. That is a pick and a half. 2 shots. Substitution. Thrower. Number 7 taking your first personal. Third team foul. Warning for penalty. Return shot ball para sa thrower. Wala. And there is a foul. Foul on number 10. That is a push. Substitution. Number 10, that's going to be your first personal second team foul. Here comes Bella, Laban, before Lopez gets pounded. Children gets the foul. Foul number 17, that is a cylinder foul. Same ball. Number 17, that's going to be your first personal third team foul. Para sa guys in bench. Mark J gives it over, Teta, 2-pointer, wala, Rebound Martinez, Barroso, gives it over, that is good for 2. Martinez, hook shot, 2 points, rebound Martinez. That's an easy last touch. Page. Official score, we are all tied at 27. Martinez intercepted and Antonio Puccio. Substitution. Black. Iba ka talaga, boss team. Iba ka talaga, boss team. Alright, back to the ball game. Marche. Low post. Any pass. Pero meron muna tayong foul. Foul on number 12. That is a push. Penalty na po. Penalty. Number 10. Number 10. Tama? Number 10, that's going to be your second personal. Oh. Wait lang po. Wait lang po. Sorry. Rebound, wala. Masyadong malalim. Rebound number 10. Next to Jaren. Binalik. Alintado. Antonio. So he gets it over. Seta. Levant. Pink. Goes for the drive. Nagamitan ng chance. And there is a foul. Foul on number 24, that is a push. Two shots. Substitution. Number 24, that's going to be your second personal 15 foul. And beautiful.
Sana may kayakap eh.
First free throw is good. Substitution. Tough shot. And gets foul. Foul on number 3, that is a hit and a half. Two shots. Number 3, that's going to be your first personal 15 foul. Black is over the limit. Second free throw, wala pa rin. And he pass. Goes for the fake, pero traveling muna, sir. Two-pointer, and good. Big one between Black. Basket. Come on! Beach. Shoutout nga pala sa ating mga tito, kay Tito Mark, saka kay Tito Arman. Magandang hapon. Go to your Here comes Seda. Seda, cross-court pass, medyo risky. Sumubok sa tres, and that is goal for three. Sarapia. Gives it over to Turner. Easily not the lower bola, and that is a turnover. Under 1 minute remaining. Ball gets hit. Same ball. Tactical three. Foul on number 72, that is a holding penalty to tie. Number 72, that's going to be your second personal foul to the corner. 14-4 in the penalty. Madalas, di na nakita. First attempt is a miss. And makes the second. And there is a foul. Foul on number 24, that is a hit and penalty to be goes for. Number 24, that's going to be your third personal. 20 seconds remaining. First attempt is good. Make both free throws. 20 seconds remaining. Twelve seconds. 12 seconds. Warning for the lady beginning. 10 seconds. 3 seconds. And that is your first half. Alright, we are back to our ball game, start with our second half. Again, salamat po kami sa mga audience natin sa board. Shoutout kay Enzo, kay Papa Arman, magandang pangalan, how are you guys doing? Yan, kaway-kaway. Shoutout po sa ating mga audience, maraming po salamat for coming over and supporting our tournament, courtesy of UAP. Ayan, maraming po salamat. Our official score for today is 41-32, still in favor of guys in black. We'll start off with our third quarter. Take a look. Wait lang po. Medyo... Okay po, let's go. Guard. LeBron. With a hop step, that is good for two. Gives it over, Antonio tries for a three. Air ball. Seda. Seda gives it over to Bandang Iniin. Ito na, Bertinia loses the ball. That's weak. Safe ball. Risky pass, nakuha ni Antonio, binigay kay Barroso. Barroso, napitawan ng bola, sakto lang. For two. Empty pass, down with the fake, step back, two-pointer is good. Grabe yun ah. Step back, pull up shade. Martinez, sinubo na lang sa ring for two. Seda, to Seda. Seda, jumper, wala. Kuha ni Lebam, gives it out. Martinez for three, no. Back out, kuha na rebound, hindi na si Martinez. Bertinia. Bertinia gives it over, Barroso, back. Cruz goes for the line, and that is a traveling. Substitution. All right. Empty pass, Martinez. Loses the point blank shot. Gives it over to Cruz. Cruz. That's another dribbling violation. Sarap ikaw ng bola. Seda. Martinez tries another three. No, rebound Sarapika. Nakakaganda bola ng Cruz. Short shot. That's the shot that gets fouled. Foul number 24. That is a hit and a half. Two shots. Substitution. Number 24, that's going to be your third personal first team foul. All right. First attitude. make both free throws. Goes for the baseline, masyadong masikip, reverse, no! Nandun na Sega, tumingin pa sa ring. Too strong, rebound hand, follow up, and there is a foul. Foul number 20, that is he's gonna add 2 shots. Number 20, that's gonna be your second personal. Second team foul. Next question. Minutes 21. Nahuli sa Barroso. Barroso. Wow! Naiwan na ang mga pamilya! Basket. Siyempre. Snappy. Oh, bago yan. Traveling muna, sir. Dribble muna bago ang bang. Time out! Team Black. Sige na, boss Kim. Ito lang, boss Kim. All right, back to the bowling. Tama raw nga ako. Yui pula eh. Siguro kung may ibang Yui. Ito na. Number 11. Pink. Give the number sa kailangan. Bersilia. Basket foul. Foul number 21. That is a blocking bonus shot. Substitution. Number 21 is going to be your first personal first foul. And next is one ready. Basket count. Foul number 21. That's a 8.5 bonus shot. Number 21, that's going to be your fourth personal second team foul. Kanino ang bola? Antonio Singh. Diba? Ginagawa. Garcinia. Crossover. Marquez ang depensa. Naroon ang Martinez. Hook shot. Yes, foul. Foul on number 7. That is a push. 2 shots. Number 7. That's going to be your third personal 13 foul. First shot is good. Naglalaro na lang sa isa kalamangan. Tatabla na. Huwag yung takutin. Doesn't make it. Lamang pa rin ang isa mga nakaiti. This one is number 7, Mata. Bigay ko Martinez. Martinez. Bata, 2-pointer. Bago yan, meron muna tayong foul. Foul on the board. Foul number 23. That is a holding foul. Same ball to tayo. For 23, that's going to be your first personal 13 foul. Three-pointers, wala, Mark, ang tingin, nawala, kickball, and after
One, two.
Again, you guys are witnessing the game between Team Big and Team Black. UFC Finals. Antonio first base. No. Rebound first base. And it gives them the lead. 49-48. Lamang na po ang mga nag-beach. And there is a foul. Foul number 33. That is a holding. Number 23, that's going to be your second personal 14 foul, warning for penalty. Seda. Martinez. There is a foul. Foul number 34, that is a silver foul, penalty. Number 44, that's going to be your second personal 15 foul, free throws by Martinez. First attempt is good. We're back at lead time. Make for free throws. Come on! Teenage. All right, back to the ball game. Three-pointer, no. Gets his own rebound. Goes for a drive, gets blocked. Gonna be black ball. Level 2, driving on the floor. Under 3 minutes remaining. High post pass, nawala ang bola. Dito na, ito na, that's it. Antonio, under 3, no. Rebound, wala na rebound. Lopez, POA, Andrew. Bata, tries for a 3, short. Bata again, another one. Wala pa rin, rebound by Steven. Gets blocked. Antonio, Antonio! Here's a Barkley. Gives it over, bam. Drops it to Bata, gets blocked, and that's a family. Substitution. Substitution number 24 out, number 2 in. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds. This is your third quarter. Sarapika. Bersedia. Gets the shot. Wala. Rebound mark. Advancing. Nabaga Karote. Goes to the line and gets the foul. What is the goal? Foul number 24. That is a push. 2 shots. Number 24, that's your big personal. You are out of the game. Substitution. Goes for the attack, but it gets fouled. Foul number 3, that is a push. 2 shots. Number 3, that's going to be your second personal. 14 foul, running for penalty. Substitution. clock, 20 seconds remaining. Okay, nagkaroon dito Marl. Dito lang bumatak na ayaw pa. Basalina Martin. And that is your third quarter.
Maganda ba yun?
Alright, back to the ball game.
Sarap makipagkwentuhan pag yung mga kababait kong kakausap mo.
Alright, back to the ball game. This is your fourth and final quarter. Sino kaya mag-uwi ng ating 8th season championship cup para sa UAP season A? Team Green kaya o Team Black? We'll see. Team Beach the ball. Back in for two. Hey, hello, B-Black. Antonio, no, rebound Martinez, nandun na sila back-to-back points. Martinez, push shot, no! Rebound Martinez. Mark with the retrieving for two. Come on! Team H. Alright, back to the boogie. Gives it over, Martinez, good pass, intercepted, Ada, here goes Bertinilia. Bertinilia looking for a teammate. Settle down. And give it Martinez. Martinez gets doubled. Puts down again, short. Martinez. Antonio Pinata. Kicks it out. Seda tries for a three. No. Rebound. Bam. Bam. It's not. Barroso goes for the drive. And there it is. Foul on number 3, that is a push. Number 3, that's going to be your third personal foul. I'm down. First attempt is a miss. Yeah. Muli, kami po nagpapasalamat sa ating mga audience. Stay put na po kayo after this game. We'll be having our awarding ceremony. Salamat po. Second one, still no. Gives it over to Lemang. Binigay ni Martinez. Martinez gives to Seda. Seda, hindi ko makaparin sa sapatos. Martinez, bumitaw sa tres. Pata ka yun. Sinabot ni Lemang. Nakuha ni Cruz, tumama sa pangalawa sa tribun. Ito ulit, Barsanilla. Barsanilla! Rebound. Nakuha ni Cruz. Barsanilla, magkakalakas. Barsanilla. Jumper. Beach. Alright, back to the ball game. Shoutout po sa ating mga audience. Maraming salamat again for Carrefour. This is possibly the last day for the season's tournament. Akala ko best of 7 eh. Una para sa oras here, also the lineup for 2. Ayan na, nabuhay na ulit sila. Seda. And there is a foul. Foul on number 11, that is the holding. Number 11, that will be your second personal, second team foul. Here comes Barroso. Getting defended by Seda. Keep apart. Empty pass from Martinez. Binigay sa ilalim. Wala. Nakuha ang number 11. Nadapa lang. And there is a foul. Foul on number 7. That is a blocking. Number 7. That's going to be your Substitution number 7, that's going to be your first personal, first team foul. Mark, susunod sa press. No, kanina bola, ay Barroso. Barroso, is it over to Bumawa pa kami ng malamangan, pero nandito na si Lebam. Lebam! Lebam! Antonio gives the ball over. Aguayo kicks it out. Antonio baseline drive. Papatuloy sa apat ang halaman. Barroso. Aiso. Tambucha wala. Barcelona attack. Takes the shot. Black, wala na yung timeout. Wala na yung timeout. Big, ikang timeout na lang. Alright, back to voting. Mark. Tutuloy sa press. Wala pa rin. Nakamoy na sky high rebound. At meron tayong foul. Foul number 27, that is a push. Number 27, that will be your third personal, second team foul. Mark James. Get out! Get out again! Ito na Barroso. Happy pass. Nalilapin pa na ito si Nico Carlos. That is number 28, that's going to be your third personal, third team foul. Number 20. That is it. Number 2, that's going to be your first personal 4-team foul. That is for the team. Antonio Dumber, wala. Rebound Levan. Garcia. Garcia. Goes for the guys. So, settles down and Nick and Yaman. 1-1. Easy lang daw. Under 3 minutes remaining. Barroso returns back. Abreu for Martinez. Hook shot. Martinez, three-pointer. Remaining time. 10 seconds to shoot. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound. Move. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound. Foul. Nakita. Barroso. Barroso. That's gonna be big ball. Kapit lang po tayo, kapit lang. Hindi pa upupuhatin, pero kapit lang. Substitution. Wala! Kanina mo na nakakailan. One minute remaining, 1 minute. Kanina na. And there is a foul. Foul number 7. That is an 8 to the hand. Singapore ball. Number 7, that's going to be your second personal foul. Third team foul. Third team foul. All right. Three-pointer. Wala. And there is a foul. Foul number 28. That is a penalty. Number 38, that's going to be your fourth personal free-throw score. First attempt, that's the friendly roll. Sa tatlong malaman. 44 seconds remaining. 44 seconds remaining. Make 4 seconds. 44 seconds. Stand back. Stand back. And there is a foul. 21 seconds remaining. Foul number 24, that is a push. Number 24, that is your first personal 21 seconds. Wala na po tayo shot clock. Wala na tayo shot clock. 15 seconds. Antonio. And that is a kick for Blackburn. Nine seconds remaining, 9 seconds. Alright, so we'll go ahead and proceed with our awarding. So we put it on the audience and asking all the community organizing folks to sing, and we'll go ahead and proceed. Proceed, Mr. President. Mr. President. Sir. Coach Ray. All right, so as we go along with the celebrations and proceed sport, again we're going to proceed with our awards for this season. So as we go ahead, tawagin ko lang po muna si ang ating President along with our Commissioner to head the ceremony for our awarding presentation. Alright? Okay, so we'll go ahead and proceed. So first off, we will go ahead and proceed with our mythical five. All right.
Tinatawagan po natin ng POD. Pwede po tayo muna lang sa mga POD. At yung mga isang POD sa likod.
Coming and going.
we would just like to congratulate everyone, all of the people behind this successful event and tournament, you know, providing a good community of activities para sa architects here in Qatar. So again, congratulations and a round of applause naman po from everyone. Maraming salamat po. Patapakan naman dyan. Maraming salamat. So we'll go ahead and proceed with our awarding, individual awardings, if you will. First off, we'll go with our Mythical 5 for this season. Request ko lang po yung EOTs to stay on the table as we go out and send our awards. So for our Mythical 5, we'll start off with, from Team Red, we would like to call out Mr. Jose Leo Manse. Sir, Mr. Manse, yan, sabi ko kayo dito. Sir Shara, yan. Pamilya nyo yung maraming kamay. Ayan. Congratulations. Next one, we would like to call on Mr. Bentley Frank of Team H. Para wala, pahingin na lang ng proxy sa Team H. Proxy na, proxy para kay Mr. Frank. And third mythical body would be Mr. J. Lord Araw of Team Black. J. Lord, ayan dito. Ayan. Ayan po, parising na po, ayan po, bibigyan po. And then, next one, we have Tom Martinez, same of Team Black. Last but not the least, we're calling out in behalf of Mr. Eugene Reyno of Team Indigo. Anyone from Team Indigo, President Proxy, to receive? Meron po ba? Anyone from Team Indigo? Ikaw na sa video nila. Ayan, salita niyo. Congrats yan, galing na. Ayan po, congratulations. This is your Mythical 5 of this season. Pakita ko kayo mga players, huwag kayo matago para po sa inyo. Pakita mo yan. Alright, congratulations. Maraming salamat po. Up next, we will go with our defensive. We'll go with our hindi ka tayo po muna, picture taking mo all the time. Okay po. Alright, congratulations. Moving next, we go with our defensive player of the season. We would like to call on Mr. Kurt Martinez. Congratulations. Nakaplay pa ba? Nakaplay pa. Congratulations, our defensive player of the season. Ayan po. Congratulations, Mr. Martinez. And last but not the least, for our season awards, individual, this guy has holds exemplary performance during the whole season. We would like to call our season MVP, Mr. Tom Martinez of Team Black. Alright, congratulations. Saying that po yung iba dyan, Mr. Tom, you can go back to your team. And now we proceed with our team awards. First off, we would like to call on our second runner-up. Just had their battle for third before the finals. Calling out Team Red! Ayan o, proxy po ng Team Red. Yeah, Team Red, yung Team Red, lahat po ng Team Red. Okay, so congratulations, Team Red. Ayan. Congratulations.